Hello people of the world, Justin here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply seam sealer to the trunk area of my 1986 Mustang. Now it's an area that has been rusty for, I don't know, a long time. The car was sitting a long time before I got it, and water happened to get into the trunk, sitting there, and it really just deteriorated all the steel in there. So I went through yesterday, I repaired all the steel. I just got done grinding down the welds, so now I'm at the stage where I'm going to apply the seam sealer, basically the waterproof coating over all of the weld beads, and then I'm going to wait for that to dry, and I'm also going to apply some insulation, some all-purpose automotive insulation inside the trunk area so it keeps it quiet, and well, it does just a little bit better job of keeping the road noise down. So with that, why don't we get started? That concludes the video on how to do seam sealer and car installation. Installation. I'm going to right now, I got a whole bunch of work to do on this car. I'm going to start on the front suspension here, maybe put the brakes on, and hopefully at least get the front end together by today. So I'll see you guys later. If you like the video, let me know. I'd like to hear from you. I'm a human too.